right onto South Star Street. Then take the first right onto West Carr Avenue. In 3/4 of a mile, turn right onto South High Street.
I'm not so sure, Siri. We'll have to wait and see when we get up there. So I don't know if there's two Highway 254s, but I had my marker set on that Central Avenue, which is showing up on Apple as 254, and it said trucks to 254. But then this 254 was before I got up to that 254 I was going to take. So I don't know.
Turn right onto South High Street.
Siri, I don't know. That's definitely not the way we're going. Siri. It's weird how you're out in the middle of nowhere. Nothing but open, flat land. And the truck
At the
route
next
is
stop
not,
sign, turn right.
The truck route is not like the obvious truck route. Alright. Looks like Kansas agrees. Siri. And I agree with both of them, so this is the road we're going to come in on. This was the route that I'd mapped out originally. It's turning onto Central and coming all the way down here and looping it around.
In 1.3 miles, turn left onto North Haverhill Road.
You got no trucks this way too?